welcome to my world of magic on Broadway.
Excuse me, buddy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the star of Chip, Erik Estrada.
You got a license to drive this thing on here?
Yes, I do. Erik, you're with the California Highway Patrol. What are you doing here in New York?
I just go where my motorcycle leads me, and I see that you do the same, Doug. What brings you to the Big Apple?
New York is like home to me. I spent some terrific years on Broadway in the magic show, and tonight I brought all my magic back here to Broadway.
Hey, that's terrific. But why all the cops around here?
The cops are guarding the theater inside and out because tonight I'm going to do an illusion with $1 million in cash.
$1 million? What's the motorcycle for? So you can make a fast getaway?
Nope, the motorcycle's for another incredible illusion.
All right, but Doug, I've been around motorcycles for a long time, and there's nothing pretty incredible about them.
Well, there is tonight. Erik, you sit down on the bike and watch the amazing motorcycle mystery. Thank you.